Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Fantom. So as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. And the first level we notice is our swing high here. So we plot the level and coordinate it the same color as our time frame. We also noticed a swing high here. So we plot the level. Now, anything else we can see? Well, we notice a level of support here with multiple reactions. So we see reactions from these wicks and candle bodies, and we see price reacting with these wicks and candle bodies here. So multiple reactions, obvious to spot. Let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. Now, what do we see? Well, we see a level here. Now, we notice two reactions, obvious reactions to the level. And as always, color coordinated. But we see price come up and react to this level as resistance. Notice the long wicks, the bearish candle, but price broke right through. As price came back down, this resistance flipped support as we see the reactions occurring here. And we also notice price reacting in the area of this key level, reinforcing the fact that key levels are not strict numbers, meaning that price can fluctuate around the key level, but does not necessarily mean price will stall right at this number here on the key level. So what else do we see? Let's go to the most recent price action, and we notice a key level here as our most recent swing high on the weekly. Now, if price reverses from this level and starts to come back up, we expect to see a reaction at this level because we've seen a reaction here on the most recent obvious swing high. Now, going back to this price action here, what do we notice? Well, we can see multiple reactions to a level here. So, we plot it on our chart. Now, we can see price reacting in this area and holding this level as support as it formed a channel here. We also notice this long wick reacting to the level, and we see these candle bodies reacting to the level as price reversed drastically. Now, looking at our chart and all the data that we have on here, we can say that these are all our key levels plotted. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.